everyone. So today we are going to be making doorknob hangers to tell everyone in the house when the room was cleaned for Hametz, so they know not to walk into the rooms with any Hametz, because on Pesach we cannot have Hametz on Pesach. So it's going to look something like this, but let's see how we get there. So first we're going to need a piece of paper, just like this. It could be, mine is oak tag, but it could be white, it could be yellow, it could be orange, it could be just construction paper, any paper that you have. And your mommies can help you, everyone, and you're gonna start off by cutting it into a rectangle. And then, what do we need? How is it gonna hang on the door? We need to cut a hole. So, you can take a plastic cup, any plastic cup. I'm going to use the bottom side for it. And I'm going to trace a circle around onto the paper. I'm going to go around the bottom of the circle. Just like that. And now, we need to cut the circle out. So I have scissors here. You can tell your mommies to help you with this. And we're going to make a little hole in the paper, just like that. And we're going to cut around the circle. Be very careful. Around and around and around. See? Just like that. So now, we have to decorate it. Let's make it look pretty. So what can we do? So this one that we have here already is with foam shapes. So if you have anything that you could glue at home, foam shapes, tissue paper, anything at home that you could glue with and you want to use, you could put that on. I have stamps. If anyone has, look, I have stamps here. So I'm gonna I take my stamps, I'm gonna stamp around, I'm gonna dip it in the red one and see what happens. And in the blue one, and I'm just gonna have fun and make a bunch. Just decorate all around the paper. Oh, this is a fun activity. I also have colored pencils. So I'm gonna get out all my colors. And let's see what I wanna use. These are pretty. I'm gonna use my turquoise one first. And I'm just gonna color the paper. And color all around. And make it nice and pretty. Color, color. Now I wanna use a different color. Yellow. I'm gonna color. And I can make shapes with my colors. Make a heart or a circle. And what other colors? Oh, I have blue here. Blue pencils. And you really could just have fun and decorate and make it nice. And then, oh, what about we could put on pieces of bread and Hametz that aren't allowed. If you want to print out some pictures like this one has a piece of bread on it and there's a big X in it and it says no bread allowed. So you could put that on and decorate it like that too and put it on the doorknob hanger. And once you're all finished making this beautiful hanger, you put it on the door so everybody knows that the room was cleaned for Pesach and that no Hametz could be brought into this room anymore. And you hang it up and then everybody knows and you told everyone no Hametz allowed. So I hope you have fun with this activity. Make it however you want. You could decorate it however you want and have fun and hang it up after. And I hope you have a good day. We'll see you guys later. Bye.